back to my channel. I am back with my first tutorial of the year. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yo, I'm really excited that this is finally happening. And before I start, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you just subscribe to this channel. Make sure that your notification is turned on so you don't miss out on any more videos from me. So to kickstart this sewing series, I'm going to be starting with this easy beginner sewing tutorial. It's this super cute crop top. It has like a drawstring ruche effect at the front. It has these nice sleeves and it's also ruched at the back. It's really super easy. So if you want to see how I shape this top, definitely keep watching. Went ahead and fold my fabric, and right now we're just going to mark in the measurement. My length is already determined. You can go ahead and determine your length. My length is 13 inches long, and when I ruche it, I want it to be like 7 or 8 inches long. So you need to figure out that yourself. So what you need to do for your bust measurement is you're going to go ahead and measure your bust measurement and divide that by 4, and that number you can add seam allowance, and that's the number you're going to add here. And my bust measurement is 8.3. So 8.3 is somewhere here. I'm just gonna, and my waist measurement is 28, and I divided that by 4. That's going to give me 7 inches, and I'm going to put 7 inches here. So I'm also going to have half an inch seam allowance to make it 7.5. I'm going to mark in 3 inches here, and mark 3 inches down here as well. And then you're just going to connect those marks. And you're going to connect that to your waist length, like so. Button, you should have something like this. And when you open it, this is going to be your front piece. So the front piece is going to be snug to your body, while the back piece, you're going to make it a bit bigger so we can put an elastic at the bottom so you can be able to wear it, since we're not adding a zipper. So I'm going to the back piece is a bit wider than the front because we're going to gather this piece with an elastic later. So this is the back piece, wider. Zoom out a little bit so you can see. Back piece, front piece. Do you see that? To cut the sleeves. So for the sleeve measurement, it's pretty easy. Remember I told you guys to measure your shoulder measurement. So my shoulder measurement was 41 and my chest measurement was 33. So what I did is I minus my chest measurement from my shoulder measurement, which is 41 minus 33, and that gave me 8 inches. So I have 8 inches, which means I have 2 sleeves. So I divided 8 inches by 2, which gave me 4. So that means both sleeve has to be 4 inches wide, but because we're going to be adding an elastic and we want the sleeve to be fuller, we're going to add more inches so we can be able to add an elastic. So I'm adding 10 inches to the 4 inches, which is going to make it 14 inches wide. So both sleeve are 14 inches wide, if that makes sense. And it's 14 inches. My fabric is fold, which means you have to divide 14 by 2. It's going to give you 7. So this is 7 inches wide, and I'm going to cut the shape of the armhole just like the way we did for the front and the back piece. So you see, and now we're going to gather the top part like so with an elastic, and then you should have this kind of ruche for the sleeve. So the next step is you want to go ahead and cut off the strips you're going to need for the ruching at the front. Sorry, so this is the piece we're going to use to create the casing. So I already went ahead and prepared my pieces. I already folded in so it's nice and finished from the inside, and we're going to be sewing this piece to the front like so, and this is going to create like the casing for the ruche. And you also need 2 strips for you to sew in so you can pull to like ruche the top. So these are my step is we're going to hem the front piece. So you're gonna fold this and create like a rolled hem. So you're gonna fold it once and you're gonna fold it again, and then you can go ahead and pin that in place. The next step is we're going to attach the tunnel or the casing to the front piece. So turn it to the wrong side. You're going to place this piece we already prepared. So we're going to place it, make sure it's right in the middle. In place at the top. Yeah as well. So what you want to do next is you're going to go ahead and sew it in the middle. So you're going to have a stitch in the middle, and then you're going to sew it on both sides. So 3 stitches. So the tunnel is already sewn in place. So you can see you have like 2 equal tunnels, and now we're going to pull the how do you say that, we're going to attach the string. So you're just going to pull that through the tunnel like so. So the 2 strings already in. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it. And if you want it to be very neat, you're just going to sew across this stitch that you already sewn. So the hemming stitch, you're just going to sew another stitch right on top of that stitch to keep the 2 strings in place. So this is the front piece, and now the back piece has been gathered at the bottom. So you can see this is the elastic, and now we're going to do right sides facing each other. So you can see it is now the same width. Guys, it is that really easy. So you're just gonna go ahead and pin them at the sides like so, and you're gonna sew them close on both sides. This is it right here. It looks so cute. So now you can pull the front piece, and then you have like that ruche at the front. It looks really cute. Now we have the sleeve piece. You're gonna create a tunnel and add an elastic, and then you're also going to hem the bottom part of the sleeve, and you're also going to sew it close on both sides. I'm gonna go do all those steps, and I'll come back and show you how to attach the sleeve to the top part. So basically you're just mashing the armhole to the bottom part of the sleeve like so. So you're just gonna go ahead and sew this all the way there, and sew this all the way there, and your crop top is done. That is the video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, definitely leave a comment below. And also I'm gonna start taking sewing requests like I normally do. So if there's something that you want me to make, comment below or tag me on my Instagram page, my Instagram page is going to be in the description box, but it's also going to pop up here. My name is Miss Ovoke, and you can follow me and ask me any questions, or send me pictures, inspirations of things that you would want me to make this coming week. So with that said, thank you guys so much, and make sure to like, share, comment. Have I said that before? Well, you know the drill. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video.